On 24 August 21, the village of Embera Parapara Puru was visited. Travel to the community was by a dugout canoe, and there are no roads that lead to this location. The village elders were met as this is a tourist location, and the local Embera also entertained travelers and visitors to Panama. There is existing infrastructure which was earlier constructed. The equipment and pipelines are not serviceable and will need to be upgraded and repaired. This will all be part of the project scope. Measurement for the installation and conditions of the infrastructure were noted for generating the proposal. This will all be included in the work. Just as with the other communities, the pipeline route was walked from beginning to end. The condition of the pipe was inspected. There's a video which shows what some of these conditions are like when you're trying to walk through the jungle. You can see that unlike other communities, the route access was overgrown and will need to be cleared out during the construction. The pipeline was generally in good condition and there was no large leaks noted. Low-lying areas are in need of being treated with cable bridges. These locations were identified and will be included in the proposal. Generally, if there are areas which are low, they will have to be picked up. The pipeline in most areas does not appear to be damaged. There is no sunlight that has reached the pipe through the forest, so the condition of the PVC is good. Cable bridges were constructed in areas with extensive low-lying points. The bridges generally have sagged and the pipe is in need of being picked up by retensioning the steel cable that supports it. You can see the difficulty in walking this terrain and general need to clear out and open up the route along the pipeline. One good reason is that falling debris or branches damages the pipe, can knock it off of the cable bridges or even break it if it's exposed on the ground. The cable supports are still serviceable, but will need to be reworked with the installation of new material. It's important to remove any sagging in the pipe or provide for crossings where it was not originally installed. Low-lying areas will take energy or head away from the water and reduce the pressure of the flow once it reaches its destination. The area is very overgrown and it will be difficult to move material along the pipeline. But the pipeline generally is in good condition and generally the intake structure is not sufficient to collect, settle, and supply the water needed by the community. The dike which is constructed is serviceable, but will need to be improved in order to provide additional storage. All these conditions were noted for the proposal, which will be included in the technical report and will be provided to the contractor, the footprint is supporting for this program. All in all, the source is adequate, but needs to be improved. This is the fourth village that was visited. We look forward to producing the proposal and hope to participate in this important program.